Hi guys, it is spring and I want to show you one of my favorite things. I got this for Mother's Day 3 years ago and it's really become one of my favorite things right away. This works fantastic. The battery that you can use with all of the other WORX power tools. You just slam in the battery right there. There's a button, a safety button here. Push that with your thumb, and then you can squeeze the trigger. It's not too heavy. Chainsaw oil. Chainsaw bar oil. You just pour some into this cap here, and that's what this indicator is for. And it's just lubrication so that the chain doesn't get dried and crusty, you know, or too hot, I guess. Anyway, you need it. Hey guys, this is the extension pole. You extend it by opening this little lock here. This pulls right out and you can lock this down and it stays in place. To attach the chainsaw, first you take out the battery, easy peasy, and then this pole just slides right in where the battery was. When it's in place, you just clip and it screws into place. Nice and secure. Then you take your battery, make that shorter. Take your battery, slides into the end. So I've chosen this one because it's dying. Okay, so safety first. All right. Yeah, so part of the reason I chose that limb is that's about as large of a tree trunk that you can cut with that chainsaw. But as you could see, it's pretty easy, even with the extension pole on it. One of my favorite things.